Hello, I'm Jasmine Joseph. You are 14CA048, and this is my fifth database lab experiment where I'll be demonstrating the usage of subqueries. Subquery, the basic definition of a subquery is that it is a nested query that can be used within a select, insert, delete, or update statement. And while using subqueries, we'll be using keywords like in, all, exist, and any. So in this experiment, basically I have demonstrated this experiment to show a furniture company's database. So these were the questions that were given to us, and followed by this, I'll be the basic syntax of a subquery is we'll be using the select keyword and we'll be writing as select followed by select customer name from the table name where customer ID I have used the in keyword over here. The advantage of using the in keyword is that it will be by specifying the where clause or the condition clause, the using the in keyword it will display all the values that match with that particular condition. So as I have given over here, the question was to display the name of the customers who have ordered for a cherry or red oak finish. So I have mentioned the condition over here, like the product line ID should be in cherry or red oak. So all these values should be displayed and the customer name is displayed over here. And the next question is to display the name of the customers who have ordered for the product table lamp. In this also we'll be using the in keyword. And as you can see, I have selected the customer name from the table customer where the customer ID, and this is the query which is given within brackets is over here. As you can see, I have entered it. This is the subquery, that is a query within query or nested query, and using the condition and using the in keyword, this is the condition, and I have given the key condition as table lamp. It will be displaying the name of the customers. And then the next question is to find the details of customers who have ordered for product ID 1000, and over here we are supposed to use exist. So exist is used to uh, display the values that exist within a particular condition. So as you can see, as you have given to display find the details of customers, so I'll be using select star from customer C. Customer C is the keyword used over here, is the identifier of the table customer, and this is the subquery that I have mentioned, and we'll be giving a product ID within the condition 1000, and then the output is displayed. And the next question is to find the suppliers whose total supply quantity is greater than some supplier called S3. So any is the usage, we'll be using any operator over here. The use of any operator is that it will check or it will check each and every value, each and every query that is returned by the subquery. So the subquery will be executed first. So over here we'll be first selecting the all the customers who have the suppliers ID, that is SID as S3, and the value, and those customers will be returned over the main query, and then we will be finding the sum of the order quantity and we'll be comparing the value. So whenever we use any the sub or in simple queries also, the subquery will be executed first, and you can see the result over here. The next question is to find the supplier with the highest rating. Here also we'll be as we need to check with each and every subquery that is returned. So I'll be using all operator, that is all keyword over here, as you can see, and the all operator also same as it will check all the queries that are returned, all the values that are returned by the subquery, and the first subquery will be executed and then the main query will be executed. And in the same way, using the where keyword, using the in keyword, we can select multiple rows and we can display the outputs. And then over here also we have used any clause where we need to check a condition and display the result, or we need to find a condition from a particular table and then we need to combine it with another table. And in the same way we are also going to have Here also we have given a condition where the demand is to find the order date which is greater than the order date ID of 106. So in the subquery I have given the condition as where order ID is 106, and this will be returning some particular values and which will be returned back over here. And because of the any keyword, it will be checking with each and every keyword used, and that is the end of the experiment. Thank you.